What's up, guys? BioPrepV here, and today I have the URUAV backpack. It is a $38.99 backpack from Banggood. Not sure if that's going to be a different price in whatever part of the region you guys live in, but I know in the United States it does show $38.99 from Banggood, and I did talk to Banggood, and they actually sent me over an extra backpack so I can go ahead and give it away. So stay tuned to the end of the video where we'll go ahead and I'll show you guys how to get entered in to win one of these backpacks. But let's go ahead and get to the bench and take a little closer look at the backpack. I'm really excited about this thing because it is super cheap and it is really big. It can fit a lot of stuff. So let's go ahead and go to the bench and take a closer look. Alright guys, so we're taking a closer look at the URUAV backpack. As you notice, I have two quads mounted on the outside. It has like these straps that just kind of buckle in, and you can kind of just take them off. And you can actually have more straps on the side here. Right here, you have some more straps on the side. It's really hard to film this thing because this thing is actually quite big. No straps on this side, but we have the two straps here. We have the two straps on the side, so you can fit four there, and you probably can fit one in the bag too if you really want to pack like maybe a micro or something like that. You also probably could take some, like if you have like dog collars or whatnot, you can go ahead and be able to, you know, add an extra strap here maybe, and be able to like put it in the middle or something like that. But so right off the bat, let's go ahead and open it up. And I don't have anything in this pocket besides this my little camera watch thing I have to watch people fly, but it has this little pouch right here. The quality on the outside is pretty nice. I wouldn't say it's like the Hive backpack. I mean, that's a $200 backpack. This thing is $39, so I mean, you're going to be getting what you pay for, but for $39, $40, I mean, you're getting pretty decent backpack considering when you go to like Walmart or something like that and they have the backpacks for like camping, they do have like the straps on the outside, but you're paying like $30 and they're not made for quads. So opening it up here, we have these dividers that actually come out. As you see, you can put them anywhere you want. This is kind of how I set mine up. Now I have my like just like extra parts, spare parts, screws and whatnot in here, and then I have these little pouches here on the little, I guess they're elastic, and they can hold up your tools here on the side. So I have all my tools lined up here on the side. I have my transmitter right here, and then I have had my multimeter strapped over here, and I guess it fell when I was walking with it. But there's a little strap right here that you can kind of grab it, and you can kind of just really stretch it good, like so, and it'll really hold whatever's in there. Just make sure you strap it good or it'll fall off. I'm putting all my props right here in the front. I figure that's a good spot. There's also more of that elastic stuff for tools. Like I have my TS100 right here on the side. But yeah, I mean, you can pretty much do this any way you want. And there's tons of room in here. I mean, you see I have my transmitter in here. I have a free space right here where I haven't put anything in here. I have this free space over here that I haven't put anything. I can probably fit some more props in there, even more stuff over here as well. But really decent little backpack. It also just have these clips here where, say if you need something to like hold it in if you're walking, you can just clip this in there, and then it'll hold whatever you have here from bouncing around and whatnot. So that's a really nice little feature. So let me go ahead and close this up, and there's a couple more pockets we can go over. So right here on the back, as you notice, the back is padded for your back. So, and I think that this pocket right here is it's a really big pocket, is for like a laptop, because this is padded right here. It's not really thick padding, but you can put a laptop, a pretty big laptop in here. I think I could fit my 17-inch laptop in here. That was one big gripe I had with the Hive backpack, is I was only able to fit a 15-inch laptop in here. In the Hive backpack, but in this one, you definitely be able to fit a 17-inch, no problem. It does have the padding on the straps here. It does have also, let's see here, where did it go? Also does come with a rain cover. Let me get that out here. So what I had here, I have this thing that came with it. I think this is for like batteries or whatnot, or maybe like for more props. It has like these clips on it, and it's a zip tie. Holds it like that. Does come with a rain cover too. I don't know where I did with it. Let me see if I can find where I did. Oh yeah, I know what I did with it. I put it here in the side pocket. So there's another side pocket right here, and you can. So if it gets caught out in the rain, you can cover the whole backpack. You don't have to worry about nothing getting wet. Especially your quads in the back, it covers them real nicely. So for $40, $40, it's not really a bad deal at all. I mean, I can see this thing lasting a little bit. I mean, I don't think the quality looks too bad. I mean, the zippers aren't like name brand zippers. Does have the straps. The only good gripe I have about it too is one big gripe, probably the only gripe I have with it, is when you put quads on, it doesn't have like little stoppers at the end. So these things come off really easy. So if you go too far, they pop off. So, but other than that, it's a really decent backpack. So let me go back to the computer. Let's go ahead and discuss the giveaway to win one of these backpacks. All right, to get entered into the giveaway, all you have to do is leave one comment down below. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and shipping will be free to anybody living inside the United States. If you do live outside the United States, unfortunately, you will be responsible for the shipping. So keep that in mind if you want to enter. We're going to go ahead and run the giveaway to June 3rd. So June 3rd is a Monday, and I'll go ahead and give that thing away on that day. I'll post another video using the random comment picker, and we'll see who wins. But I appreciate all you guys for watching my video. If you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.